There's something wrong with Roblox. Roblox is going down because the most Roblox games are brain out games. Roblox, are you gonna remove the games? He said yes. Okay, but tell the truth, are you gonna remove them? Yes. Okay. So actually remove it. And that's bad because kids are gonna go stupid if they play these games. And then moms and dad will worry about them. And then mom and dad will be so angry they're gonna report they can show the police. So no one play brain art games at all. Okay, so but that's really bad because kids are gonna be brain art games. That's so bad. You understand why? They're just bad games. Kids are gonna think 6, 7 is the stupidest kids and all the other brain arts. They cannot stop saying that. They will be done school, they will be friends, they're getting F's, minus F's. And yeah. Добре. Деца са бъдат тъпи от brain art геймове. Защото игрите те правят тъпи. Тъпи. И никой не играете тази игра никой не играете тази игри просто. Ма никога, да, когато няма значение на колко си, няма значение на кой клас си, няма значение. Не ги играйте. Който види това видео, да не ги играе. Даже ако не са го видяли, пак не ги играйте. Играйте някакви други игри, като тази си игра. Добре, we don't talk about what I did. And yeah, that's all for, no, that's not all for today. Деца са бъдат тъпи. Деца тъпи. И си имат двойки в училище, неща такива. После, да, майка и татко му са бъдат тревожени за тях и да. И най-тъпото нещо за тия игри ще правят тъпи. Само това.